guys, welcome back to another video. Wolf here. Today we're gonna be reviewing the balancing bird. You can get this at Hobby Lobby. And this is the back side. It says it's perfectly weighted to balance on its beak. Just rest the beak on your finger, a pen, or any solid object and watch it soar. No, bird will not balance on rounded surfaces. Keep wings free from touching any other object. Made in China. And what do you know? It has tape right here, so free tape from China. Okay, so let's just get on to the unboxing. Okay, bird, get out of here. Bird. Okay, I want to keep the box. Not gonna rip it in half like you've seen me do with other things. Sorry. I'm just gonna go cut it with minimum. Yeah, maybe not good enough. But here is the bird. Okay, so can it actually balance on your finger like it is in the picture? Okay. Yes, it can. What else can it balance on? Now this is getting cool. Can it balance on a Lego my ego. No joke, it can balance on anything. Yeah. Just don't shake it too much, but I'm curious. It can balance on a Nerf bullet. Okay, how about this side? This thing. How? Okay. Can bounce on a thin sheet of paper. You know, the paper's too light. The paper was hard. Yeah, you know. Okay. So we balanced it on an Uno card. There's totally nothing crazy about balancing something on an Uno card. Play button. Ow. Yeah, I don't know what I did. I accidentally gave myself 4K quality. Play button plus bird. Upside down play button. The wings are hardly even touching it. Yes, play button. Success. Oh. So that's all we have for today about the balancing bird. Yeah. Time for the ranking. Drum roll, please. 10 out of 10. Bye.